ini menseladum.
Happy Independence Day, guys. Today I'm at Verekando and we are in the process of cleanliness drive. So people have gathered here. So I'm gonna show you how people have gathered here for the change of this Verekando. Let's see it, guys. Verekando picnic spot, cleanliness drive.
And here is the registration counter, so you need to register first. So I'm registering my name here.
Vikas, Bikash. Sorry, Gary. Don't cry.
What number?
7005. Logo dong. Therefore, entry खालामबाय dong. Nunggu apa mana puri? Entry खालामबाय dong. Happy Independence Day, bro. Happy. So guys, we are provided these gloves and mask. So guys, as you have seen, many people have gathered here for this cleanliness drive, and I'm very much excited with this.
It's so true that one who maintains cleanliness keeps away diseases, right? And the clean person is not the one that runs away from dirt, but the one who takes the time and effort to tidy up a dirty environment.
Travel to the moon, keep on the shining dark night, shining a light on the sun. Sun doesn't give the light to the moon, assuming the moon
Oh, Happy Independence Day, bro.
Happy Independence, Boral Riding where?
जों दासो फैदों, so no idea मा जागोन, so टीमाव डिवाइड खालामदों with ribbon. आं black ribbon मोनदों दायो, so एसे उनाव मिन्थिसिगोन दासो registration.
So guys, I just want to tell you that many teams have gathered here. So there are many teams. Teams has been divided like blue ribbon, pink ribbon, and yellow ribbon as well. So I got the black one, guys. So I'm gonna show you how they gonna clean all this area. So just watch it, guys. So guys, I believe it's a great initiative that the youth has taken for this lovely project, and I believe that you will be grateful with this, with watching this video, right? I think every youth should take the initiative for this lovely project, guys. You know, since this is a picnic spot, thousands of people gather every day. Even in the weekend time, people used to gather with their families as well. They bring, they start littering here, and they throw their, the plastics wrappers here and there, and that's not good thing, right? So the youth of this Udalguri people has taken this initiative so that they can clean in this Independence Day. So it's a lovely time, guys. So guys, please watch this video till the end. So every facility has been provided. If you are thirsty, then there is water bottle, guys, and here it's ORS.
Then you choose to be present here because of your love and dedication towards nature. So we are very humbled and really thank you so much, each and every one of you. So let's be the change and strive for a better and a healthier environment. Before beginning, here's a quote that I would like to read out on the initiative of Udalgurians Youth for Change project by a very prominent environmentalist that says, as we progress into the 21st century, anyone who considers themselves realist will have to make the environment a top priority. The truth is, our planet alone is now going off, and it's time to finally wake up and take action. So here we are, taking our very first step. And Leonardo DiCaprio being my role model, I'm happy and at the same time proud to say that here we are doing our bits and contributing towards a global issue, #the climate change.
Keep calm and stop pollution, guys. Many plants has been planted. You can see this, right?
So the coordinators for the Western Bank will be Manoj ji, Birka, Nitisa. So we will coordinate with them. So kindly request the captains to come over for the green team. Green team, we have orange team. I think we have already met. So yeah, our coordinators will come and coordinate with.
We are now proceeding for this lovely job. So please watch it till the end, guys.
And they provided some bins which are made of woods, as you can see here.
एक ग्रुप में 3 लोग बस
ध्यान So I believe that you will be inspired with this video, right? If you are really inspired with this video, then I want you people to share this message to your lovable person, to your family, to your friends as well. So here it's written, guys, save Earth, there is no planet, right? Since the only planet we have that we are existing, that men are existing, that is Earth, right? So we have to save our planet, guys. So we got our flag. This is our department, guys. This area is ours. So this is a message for every people, every youth, and please do not throw the wrappers and plastics here and there, right? It destroys the planet, and you can see it's very much dirty. This picnic spot has been dirty so much. Thank you.
Water, team blue, team black.
Team Blake, look, Team Blake.
So guys, once a great philosopher, Benjamin Disraeli, said that cleanliness and order are not matters of instinct. They are matters of education, and like most great things, you must cultivate a taste for them. So guys, in Japan, the Japanese people are so much concerned that their children usually volunteer to pick up trash from the streets near their schools on a monthly basis. Can you imagine this? And the neighborhoods also have streets cleaning events. So if we bring such ideas in our society, in our schools, I believe it will be helpful for us, right?
Stop pollution. Clean Veerakundo. Green Veerakundo. So guys, now it's the time for packet lunch. So all are now hungry after doing such a lovely job, right? So anu masih lawan kan? So guys, I believe you like this video. So if you really enjoyed this video, then please do like and comment down and do subscribe my channel guys. Love you. Bye bye. Tata.